In primetime news this evening, worrying numbers as COVID cases continue to spike. Government appeals to people who've abandoned their relatives at public hospitals to move them out as bed space shortage worsens. And calls for students engaged in face-to-face classes to be periodically tested for COVID-19.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, we have the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening, we're asking what has been your experience accessing healthcare in the public and private health system given the surge in the number of persons hospitalized as a result of COVID-19. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.